everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Brightspace. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Brightspace, go ahead and open up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in learninganalytics.brightspace.com and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the login portal for D2L Brightspace. D2L Brightspace is a flexible and powerful learning innovation platform. It is also known as the best LMS software for online learning and teaching. To log into your accounts, go ahead and enter your username in the first text box. On the next field, enter your password associated with your account. If you're having trouble remembering the password, click on the Forgot Your Password link beneath the login button and follow through the on-screen prompts. After filling in your username and your password, click the login button, and that is how you can easily log into your Brightspace account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.